Hey guys, I'm Jeff from Home Built by Jeff.
And I'm Mrs. Jeff.
And today we're going to try and teach Mrs. Jeff how to stick weld.
Let's start with a bit of unboxing. Inside you'll find your owner's manual, straps, your 2 cables, and your welder. Begin assembly by identifying the positive and negative connection sockets. And plug the earth lead into the lower negative connection socket and twist to secure it firmly. Then connect the arc lead in the same fashion into the positive connection socket. Keep in mind that the S140 uses a regular household 10 amp plug, where the S180 uses a 15 amp plug. Do not grind it as it's dangerous and it will void your warranty. Once you've selected the appropriate size and type of electrode for your job, you can place it in the holder at multiple angles depending on whether you're welding vertically or overhead. Ensure a good clean connection with your earth lead. Select your current at around 40 amps per millimeter of electrode. And make sure you're wearing the correct safety gear, including welding jacket, P2 dust mask, welding helmet and gloves. And don't forget to have a fire extinguisher handy.
Alright, so we've got our earth connected, and now we're going to see how Mrs. Jeff goes at having a go at welding. Try and strike it like a match to start.
Oh.
Wiggle it. There you go. Slower, slower, slower. Straight and smooth as you can.
Pretty good.
Now the moment of truth. Let's see how it goes.
And make sure you're wearing safety glasses while chipping.
Pretty good. It's not pretty, but it's solid.
This is more what you're looking for, a nice, smooth, even flow. You want to aim to drag the electrode at roughly a 120-degree angle. When you're finished, chip off the flux and give it a scrub with a wire brush, and hopefully it looks a little better than Mrs. Jeff's.
Okay, so that was Mrs. Jeff's first introduction to stick welding. How do you think you went?
I think I did a great job. It's not pretty, but it's solid.
It's abstract, maybe. But
I think it has a certain organic charm to it.
I think she got a weld going. It's all about practice. Welding is all about practice, and if you practice your welds, you'll go far. All right, guys. See you later.